Is the education system helping us learn, or is it just making us study? Why are boards considered to be so important, and why do they have the ability to decide our future? Why do parents always consider medicine and engineering as the only successful careers? Why are we teenagers expected to act mature when people still treat us like kids? 1 month to go for my board exam, and here I am, pondering about all this amidst my board prep. How many of you are like, deja vu, that's me too? Well, you don't have to brood about it anymore, because World Teen Parliament has come up with an amazing strategy to reach out to each and every one of you teenagers out there and hear you out. All you have to do is answer a simple question. What teens want? People have a lot of expectations from us. Now it's time to ask yourself this question. What do I want? From teachers, parents, schools, universities and whatnot. So go ahead and pour your hearts out. Let us all hear what you've got to say.